YouTube. What's going on with you? This is your boy. It's your boy, Shawn The Barber. What's going on? Man, I am definitely excited to be back to doing YouTube videos. I have been just doing the daily grind of working, like a regular American. But hey, if you haven't yet, if you miss me, if you want to see more content, like, comment, and subscribe down here at the bottom, right here, down here at the bottom, right here, yeah. So we can go ahead and get this thing rolling. Look, today I am doing a unboxing of the Andes Masters, man. Look, I've been seeing a lot of people use this, and I've been rocking with Babyless. I've been also walking with JRLs. I would definitely just say, man, I'm just like a clipper head. Like, you got your sneaker heads and you got your clipper heads. So I'm definitely a clipper head. I never really used an Andes clipper before, so I'm definitely excited to jump into using one of these. But hey, these are the cordless Masters, all right? Like it says at the top, create your way. All right, so let's go ahead and get up in this. Nicely packaged. So this is, like I said before, this is actually my first Andes tool ever. If you watch any of my unboxings, I've unboxed wall clipper, I unboxed Babyless clippers, I unboxed one of the JRLs. So this will definitely be my first Andes. So what comes in the packaging will be your stickers. It's gonna be a little card, and it's almost like a thank you note for choosing us. It's a Andes sticker. It's very, very clear. And then they actually have the QR code so you can register your tool. So that'll be that for that box. But this is it. I got a little weight to it. I like how they got the little strip over the power button so it doesn't actually turn on. So these were the Andes Masters right here. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's not too heavy, not too heavy. I know I'm gonna have to work out this lever here. It's a bit tight. But let's go ahead and do a little sound check. And I like how it has that button, the little light button at the bottom to indicate when it goes dead or not. So you check right there, see how it's red. So definitely after this, I will be putting it on the charger. So I'm not sure exactly how the charging process works. Maybe it'll turn blue and then that will let you know that it is fully charged. But also in the box comes with the housing, so you can go ahead and charge it on the charging station. This is your little dock right here. Just place it in. So it just fits just like that. Looks like just like that on the inside. Just go ahead and connect it just like that. I'll put that right there to that side right there. And I like how it stands because it stands almost like a trophy. All right, Last thing in the box right here. If you ever open up any type of clippers, you would know, or you would hope that it comes with, of course, the cable to charge it. Got some oil. I actually have a moving device, just in case the one that's inside breaks. You have the moving device. And of course the book. Now, like I said, this is my first time opening one of these. And like with the Babeless and with the wall, it came with guards. So just let you know, this does not come with the guards. So I don't know if I'm not sure if I can put any of my other guards on there. If not, then I would definitely have to get guards to fit on here. But hey, that's one walk away. I got a barber shop that I can go to grab all my my supplies. Also, if you're looking to get some supplies, I will also leave my discount code for the barber plug. So if you want to grab something and you want a little discount, you can use my code. I'll put it down in the description at the bottom, so you get a little 5% off. So, but yeah, this is gonna be the it for this unboxing. Sorry, it doesn't have any guards, so I can't try the guards on. But lever play is very tight, so when I get into working with it more, it should loosen up. But I will definitely do my first self haircut using these, and I will definitely leave a review and let y'all know how it is. But even like the on and off switch, it's kind of plastic, but you know, you just gotta click it up and down. But not too bad, not too bad. But hey, thank you again for rocking with me. This is your boy, Shawn The Barber. Hey, if you haven't liked, comment, and subscribe, please do so. I'm definitely trying to build this channel. Hey, and if you're in the Tampa Bay area, come slide through, come holler at your boy. Check me out, come get a haircut, even come just say hi. Let me know you follow. But until then, y'all have a good one. Peace be with you. God bless. I'm out.